What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ramses exchange token. Ticker symbol is RAM. This token just got listed on CoinGecko just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Ramses exchange token. So price today is sitting at about 8.1 cents per token. It's up 14.9% right now. This is on the Arbitrum blockchain. You can find their Arbiscan listed on CoinGecko along with their Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, GitHub, their webpage, ramses.exchange. Now this token is listed on Uniswap. That's where it's available through the Arbitrum 1 blockchain. Like I said, they have their Arbiscan on here, so you would just go through your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with your Ethereum through the Arbitrum blockchain. There is a warning, though, before you do anything. At the top of the CoinGecko page, it says, the smart contract owner can mint new tokens. Please proceed with caution. So that's important to check those warnings. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can mint new tokens, alter the smart contract, things like that. So thoroughly do your own research before investing. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find a full white paper over there. It says Ramses is a VE33 DEX that masterfully adapts Andre Conji's initial vision of a solidly. The original solidly fundamentals have been long forgotten, and Ramses aims to revitalize 3 core tenets. Number 1 is community. Ramses will be launching a heavy focus on a wider ecosystem, offering VE Nfts to top protocols on Arbitrum who can manage their positions in the best interest of their platforms. Also decentralization. So Ramses strives to be as fully decentralized as possible while still maintaining functionality and a council of trusted entities from a wider community to enact in emergency situations. And functionality, Ramses houses some of the best features implemented in DEXs to date. Widely known and used by many, the functionality of the platform is tied to the innovations and underlying value that Ramses provides. So, the token distribution is on here. Total supply of this token is 500 million tokens. So initial supply is 125 million tokens, 75 million VE RAM tokens. So token allocation is like this. So 60% goes to emissions, 15% partner VE RAM allocations, 10% ecosystem incentives, 10% team, 4% LGE, and 1% most solid migration bonus. So it says the tokens given to the team are on a vesting schedule with a small liquid allocation for spot payments for services and advisors. Now, if we check their Arbiscan on here, it says right now they have 479 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and 3,152 transfers. So they have the NFTs. So it says Arbitrum partner VE NFT allocations to ensure Ramses is aligned with the community's wishes. We will be distributing VE NFTs to partnered protocols who have been enhancing the Arbitrum ecosystem and who believe will provide future value. These include but are not limited to yield aggregators, money markets, swap aggregators, and other DEXs and more. And so they have a whole list of partner protocols on here, like Frax would be an example, YFX, Byte Masons, etc. All sorts of recognizable names that you could see. You can find the list of those on their white paper. Now they have a section here on the core team. Now it doesn't have, the core team is comprised of, just have one name for each team member, so hopefully they're doxed somewhere else because they're not really doxed on their white paper. Now let me see if I could find an audit on here as well. So I don't really see an audit on here either, so be aware of that. Just looking through here, deployed contract addresses. They have the RAM token address, LGE contract. They have media on here. No, again, I don't see, maybe it's listed somewhere else, but I don't see it on their white paper, so just be aware of that. Now the VE33 fundamentals, a concept introduced by Andrei Konji solidly, combines a multitude of successful decentralized exchange technologies into a cohesive flywheel. In the subsection on the white paper, you will be able to learn about the high-level architecture that was built and designed, decisions behind such, so you could read all about that if you want. Now they have the DEX functionalities on here that you could read about, the swaps, the voting, the vesting, the LP staking, etc. They have all different information on there. They also have the swap fee structure on here. So if you're swapping a volatile pair, it says 0.2% swap fee. Stable pair, 0.01% swap fee. So that's not too many fees there. That's not too bad. So then they have the Ramses Bazaar, which is Ramses' native VE NFT marketplace. So after Ramses launches successfully, the team will focus on deploying our in-house VE NFT marketplace, the Ramses Bazaar. A bazaar is a marketplace or shopping quarter, especially one in the Middle East. This is an attribute of openness, and we believe it fits the Ramses vision and ethos. The Ramses Bazaar will be an easy way for users to list, trade, and purchase VE RAM positions denominated in Ethereum. This quick to access feature will be maintained by the protocol initially and will have zero fees taken on trades. We believe that every VE33 protocol should have their own VE NFT marketplace in order to facilitate trading VE NFT positions, which are a core focus of this model. So you could read all about this. They also have time blocks on here. Fixed solidly vulnerabilities. They're going to have a monolith migration event. So you can check all that out as well. Lots of cool stuff on here. dApps and social links. Check out their white paper at docs.ramses.exchange. And you can find this token newly listed on CoinGecko as of today. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.